Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you a simple breathing exercise that you can use to relax the body and calm the mind. This is especially good after a long day at work or any time when you feel tense, tired or out of tune. Stand up straight, soften your knees and relax your whole body. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose and raise both hands up. Exhale out through the mouth. Bring both hands down in the center of the body. Repeat the same again. Nice deep inhale as you go up. Easy long exhale as you relax and soften. Repeat the movement 8 to 16 times until your whole body is nice and relaxed. Keep your breath soft and tension-free. Notice that with each exhale, your entire body begins to soften and relax more and more. As you relax deeply, you may notice a comfortable heaviness in the body. This is a feeling of muscle relaxing, so let it happen and simply enjoy the sensations. When you're finished, relax the hands by the side and take a moment to notice how you feel. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel nice and relaxed, and I'll see you next time.